Hey everyone, my name is Keshante Chantel and welcome to my channel. So the year of 2024 has been all about entrepreneurship. A lot of people have been opening their own businesses, whether it's jewelry line, clothing line, shoes, you name it. If that is something that you're passionate about and you don't have the resources, I'm going to share with you a unique experience that you can gain with dropshipping clothing. I have partnered with the brand Shewin and I have worked with them before. You guys probably, if you follow my channel, you have seen my video with them, and I have read the reviews and I have had nothing but amazing experience with the company so far. So let's talk about dropshipping and how it can work for you. So Shewin offers dropshipping. So if you're not familiar with dropshipping, what it is dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products that they sell in stock. Instead, when the store sells the product, it ships it directly to the customer. So basically, they handle all the work for you. Dropshipping allows retailers to be able to handle a wide variety of inventory without having to touch the shipment. So dropshipping also eliminates the need to have a warehouse. So therefore, dropshipping can be a very profitable business if done correctly. So if you're passionate about fashion and dream of one day owning your own fashion brand, this video is for you. All right, guys, so we're gonna talk about now the reliability of the clothing that you receive. And I'm gonna also do a try on so you guys can see what I got from the brand and just overall the quality of the clothes. Now, I was very impressed when I received the first shipment, and in my last video, you can tell I was just blown away by the quality and what they offer. It's a variety from very on-trend clothes to very laid back and casual. They offer accessories, lingerie, shoes, bags, everything. So if there is a specific niche that you're in, or if you just want to sell multiple things on your website, Shewin they offer so many options. So the first item that I want to show you guys is this really pretty green jacket. It is so stunning, so on trend for fall. Just pretty much you can wear it during the fall and winter time. The quality is good. It's well insulated with quilted material. The arms have like almost a Sherpa type material, and the overall jacket feels like it's corduroy. It is just stunning and I am super obsessed. It has pockets. What girl doesn't love pockets? So this jacket is just really cute. Just, you can dress it up daytime, nighttime, just beautiful. This is the next item. So it's this really soft material. It's brown, like a tan colored. It would be perfect with a pair of Uggs. It just feels so cozy and it's so super stunning. Putting this on just makes me want to go grab a hot chocolate or coffee, and you can just feel the fall vibe as soon as you put this on. The next item is very sporty. You can wear it with a pair of leggings or a pair of denim jeans, and the color, I'm absolutely obsessed with this color, like that green muted color. It's just very pretty, very sporty. And the next item that I was sent is this two-piece item. Is probably one of my favorites that I've received from the brand. It's so cute, so like, I just feel so comfortable, so cozy in this outfit. Like what can I say? Give it to me in every single color. It is so cute. And the last item is this two-piece that I basically have on in the video. The color is cozy, the pants are cozy. Both of them, the ones before and these, are both long length and they're great. I'm 5'7", so they do offer pants for tall women, which I love. I also love the fact that Shewin is very size inclusive. So most of the items that I have are 2X. They go up to, I believe, a size 24, which is amazing because most brands do not cater to people who are plus size, and us big girls like stuff too. So, you know, I like the fact that the clothes are inclusive and they're beautiful. So I know these clothes are super stunning and there's gonna be something that you want to order. Shewin has teamed up with me to offer you $10 off a purchase of $99. So you can use my code Keshante10 and save yourself $10 off your order. So guys, go ahead, jump on it. You don't wanna wait because these outfits are super cute. I know if I like it and I'm very much into fashion, it is going to be something that is going to sell out. So this video is for those who are wanting to open up their online business and don't want to have to deal with the hassle of like counting inventory and making sure that the clothing is of quality, because you know that you're going to get quality clothing when ordering from Shewin. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. All of the links are going to be listed in the description bar below if you want to order something, if you saw something that you liked, or if you need more information on the brand. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching.